This is the stunning Solaris 48 Lobster, launched in 2020. It's all about travelling in style and comfort, even when the weather kicks up. The paint finish on both the hull and superstructure really is second to none. Hours of fairing has gone into this to make it this perfect finish, and it is available in any colour of your choosing. Designed by the Solaris Power team and Norberto Ferretti, she is 14.86 metres in length and 4.87 metres in beam. They're using the same hull design as the 48 Open and the 48 Fly from Brunello Acampora from Victory Design. It's a super soft and dry ride. The 48 won European Powerboat of the Year in 2020. The hull is efficient at both displacement and faster planing speeds and extremely stable with minimal vibration.